Okay, so the 25 chickens that we cut up yesterday, that we butchered on Thursday, are all in the freezer. I ended up with 5 bags of chicken stir fry from all of the breast meat, and then several larger Ziplocs of family-sized meals. And then I've also got on the stove right now, I've got bone broth being made, and that will probably end up being about 8 quarts of chicken bone broth just from the breastbones. And then we still have to do the chicken feet, so which I'll make broth with that as well, because it makes a very rich and flavorful broth. This is my bone broth. Just got celery, garlic, and the breastbones from 25 chickens in it. This is the chicken broth from the chicken breastbones from the 25 chickens that we slaughtered.